Hi there, it's Isilia here from Tax World. Today I'd like to talk to you about a decision by the Upper Tribunal, Tax and Chancery Chamber, in the case of His Majesty's Revenue and Customs versus Basic Broadcasting Limited. The case concerns the application of the IR35 intermediaries legislation to contracts between Adrian Chiles, a well-known TV and radio presenter, and the BBC and ITV through his personal service company, Basic Broadcasting Limited, for the tax years 2012-13 to 2016-17. The First-tier Tribunal had allowed Basic Broadcasting Limited appeal against His Majesty's Revenue and Customs determinations that the contracts fall within IR35, finding that the hypothetical contracts between Chiles and the BBC, ITV would not be employment contracts. His Majesty's Revenue and Customs appealed to the Upper Tribunal on two main grounds. 1. The First-tier Tribunal erred in its approach to the third stage of the ready-mixed concrete test for employment status by focusing on whether Chiles was in business on his own account rather than the terms of the hypothetical contracts. And 2. The First-tier Tribunal failed to consider whether factors relating to Chiles' outside business were known or reasonably available to the BBC, ITV. The Upper Tribunal allowed His Majesty's Revenue and Customs appeal on both grounds, finding the First-tier Tribunal adopted the wrong approach at the third stage and failed to make necessary findings on the knowledge issue from the Court of Appeal's decision in Athol House Productions Limited versus His Majesty's Revenue and Customs. The Upper Tribunal set aside the First-tier Tribunal's decision on the third stage and remitted the case back to the First-tier Tribunal to reconsider and remake its decision applying the correct legal principles from Athol House. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.